Hey guys, it's Leah. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little Sunday reset video. I found this on Pinterest and I'm just going to be following it as like my Sunday reset. So let's get started. So the first thing it says is to take a walk and get some fresh air, but it's raining outside, so I'm not gonna do that right now. But the next thing it says clean up my space, and yes, I know I clean my room in pretty much every video, but let's clean up my space. So my floor is now clean. Okay, so the next thing I said to do was do my laundry. So while we wait for my laundry to be done, I'm going to plan my week and then paint my nails. Here's the current calendar. You cannot see the videos for February because you will figure them out soon. So my calendar is all planned out. Sorry that I have to blur everything. Now I'm going to do my digital planning. Okay, so I did paint my nails. You can't really tell. I don't know if you can tell. So I will wash these and then I will see you guys when everything's washed. Okay, so it is now dark outside. I have not updated you guys for a while now. My laundry is done. My sheets are still in the washing machine. So we just have my mattress, my plain mattress without a mattress cover. And right now I am editing a video. Let me know if you can figure out what video this is. But now I'm going to fold my laundry and then we're going to take a shower. Okay, so there are no clothes on my bed anymore. They are all put away. And now I'm gonna go downstairs and check on the dryer to see if my sheets are ready because it's getting kind of late. It is 8:46 and I like to get in bed around 9:30. Okay, so this thing's off, so that means that they're dry. Let's bring them upstairs. We made it upstairs and okay, so I just finished bullet journaling and now I'm going to climb into bed. So I'm going to turn off the lights and turn on my sound machine. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!